First, let's get Gemini integrated. Open up your Visual Studio Code, navigate to the Extensions view in the sidebar. This is where we'll find and install the Gemini extension. In the search bar of the Extensions view, type Gemini AI and press Enter. You should see an official extension appear. Click on it to view its details. Once you've confirmed it's the correct extension, click the prominent Install button. Vscode will automatically download and apply the extension for you. After installation, you'll need to configure Gemini often. This involves agreeing to terms or linking an account. Depending on the extension's setup, follow the on-screen prompts that appear after installation. Now, let's see Gemini in action. You can invoke Gemini's assistance in several ways. One common method is through the command palette. Press the shortcut to open it, then type and select the appropriate Gemini command. You can ask Gemini to help you complete lines of code, suggest entire code blocks, or even explain complex snippets you're looking at. Just start typing in your code, and Gemini will often proactively offer suggestions. Beyond code completion, Gemini excels at understanding context. It can help you detect potential errors, offer explanations for bugs, and even generate documentation for your functions and classes, significantly speeding up your development process. By integrating Gemini into Vscode, you've just enhanced your coding environment with intelligent AI assistance, making your development faster, more efficient, and more insightful. Congratulations on optimizing your workflow.